Chinese electronic goods manufacturer Hisense has been in South Africa for over 20 years. In 2013, it moved its operations from Johannesburg to Cape Town and opened a $30 million manufacturing plant in Atlantis under the umbrella of the China-Africa Development Fund.
If you look at how the electronics industry at the moment is, well, blooming in South Africa, there's a lot of people that actually wants to be in the bigger cities like Johannesburg and Durban. But then, yet again, they forget about the Cape Town, where there is still a big need for the electronics industry to actually go on, for uplifting this community.
Atlantis is a small industrial town near the Cape Town CBD. Endemic of most little towns in South Africa, crime is rampant and unemployment is high.
There was a huge problem, the crime state was very high as well. It was difficult looking for work, and it's not easily to find in Atlantis especially. Well, when Hisense opened up, it gave us a huge relief to take on this lot of people.
It was hard for me because I have a child at home that I must look after. And it's not nice to not have money.
Hisense has grown into one of the biggest smart TV distributors in South Africa. It employs 700 people, mostly from Atlantis, and produces over 400,000 TV and refrigerators a year, 15% of which is exported to several of South Africa's neighbors.
Whatever we produce, we sell. As the things come off the line, it's immediately tested, it's immediately packed. From there, it's going straight into containers. Based on that, we have a turnover ratio of, I can honestly say, of 100%.
The company is now expanding to manufacture cell phones and other appliances, and it wants to double its workforce in the next few years.
In the near future, we can see more like a potential, for both sides, especially for the Chinese government. Probably the CAT Fund has facilitated more investors from China and willing to invest in the African continent. CAT Fund is facilitating long-term projects such as in the manufacturing. So in that way, African countries can benefit a job creation through job creations and technology transfer.
The most notable investment under the China-Africa Development Fund so far has been the $1 billion greenfield project by Chinese automotive company BAIC in Port Elizabeth. Sumitra Nydoo, CGTN, Cape Town, South Africa.